lost it. Well, let's go ahead and do the 30. Alright, fellas. I already recorded the first part of this video. Actually recorded the whole video. And I lost all the footage, so thanks to GoPro, we get to do it again. Alright, we're gonna do a pull from 40 in third gear. When I did my testing yesterday, I did it in second gear, and that did not go well. So we're gonna go from third gear, 40, 3, 2, 1. There's that. When I did it in second gear yesterday, it was just kicking the traction control on the whole time. All of this testing is done outside of the United States on a closed road course, just so we're clear. Let's do the 0 to 60. That could have been a little faster, but I was trying to keep it from pulling the front wheel up. The only thing I'm concerned about is where we are going. The driveway is quite steep and all thick, loose gravel, so that should be fun. Should have turned my traction control. Actually, it's not as bad as it was last time I was here. Oh, he about lost it. Oh, that was real sketch, huh? Alright, we're going down the middle. We're good. Third gear at 40. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's do another one of these. 40, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're on the cruiser now. Oh gosh. Like that?
Dangerous.
That's 60% power.
Fuck, it's dangerous. I mean, you just touch that throttle. Just touch it.
I was gonna die with your brakes. I'm like pulling, I'm like, is it gonna slow me down?